Morning guys, welcome back to another video. So this weekend I am back with Harry from Offshore Adventures. I have come up to Airlie and the goal for this weekend was to catch a fish, but unfortunately due to the winds we're just not able to get out in the water today. But instead we've actually come out to Proserpine. We're going to be doing some crab fishing here instead. Given the density of the actual river, there is the highest population of crocodiles here. So the fact that we haven't seen one is quite shocking, but we're gonna get these crab pots in the water and then, yeah, see where we go from there.
Most of you lads will know how crab pots work. Basically, the crabs can climb in up here, they fall in, they start eating, and then you pull the crab pot out. But once they get in there, they can't really climb out unless, you know, it's upside down, but even then, they can't really get out. So we'll chuck this one in. The tide's coming in, so no matter what, we should be able to get the crab pots at the end of the day. One more to go.
So the crab pots are in the water now, so we're gonna give it about an hour and see if we can get anything in there, but we're gonna go hunt for crocs. Hopefully we can see something.
Zero from two so far, so this is our third pot we're trying. Oh, we've got a little one.
Little baby one.
He was too small, but he might attract some other ones if he's in there eating the fish. Oh, yeah. Too small. Getting closer.
So we've got one more pot to pull up. We've got a couple of crabs, whether or not we can keep them.
This is the second mud crab, still too small. He's got a nice nipper on this one. This guy's borderline legal, but I'm giving benefit of the doubt. Four pots out. Sarah's a machine.
We have dropped in another 5 crab pots just to see if we can snag anything before we head off. But fingers crossed, I feel like our luck is turning around. Nothing.
Oh, we're winning the day today. Shit, yeah. Come on, you good thing.
So after that, we literally didn't catch a single thing. So all of the crabs we had to throw back in, and the second round, we just didn't get anything, unfortunately. So maybe I'm the bad luck when it comes to fishing. I don't know, but I'm not going to give up just yet. Morning, guys. So this morning I am out at Airlie Beach, and unfortunately, as much as I wish I could show you guys all of the beautiful weather, all of the beautiful sightseeing, it's actually really shit weather this weekend. So I thought I would make the most of it. Since I didn't catch anything yesterday, well, technically we didn't catch anything that we could keep anyway. Harry actually works at a fishing charter here in Airlie Beach. So I'm like, why not just make the most of it? It's going to be a shit day on land anyway, so I might as well go and enjoy it on the boat. So yeah, we're going out on a fishing charter today, and I'm hoping that I catch a fish. Like, surely, like, something's got to give. I've got to be able to catch a fish at some point. So this has got to be my opportunity. So stay tuned. We'll see what I can do. a little fish.
How do you feel?
Excited. Now I'm gonna catch like 10 more.
Yeah. Oh, caught a trout. Bye, little one.
So guys, with today's fishing trip being a huge success, I'm so excited. My very first fish that I have caught, and I'm also going to attempt to fillet this by myself as well. So this is an Indonesian snapper. So I'm going to be cooking it all up as well, so taking you guys through a little catch and cook. I feel like I did pretty good for a first attempt. I did completely butcher one side, and I know for a fact that my knife was not sharp enough for the job, but that's fine. We still have some fish, so let's get cooking. All right, let's give this a go. That's so good. Oh my God. Yum. Like, I don't know if it's the fish or my cooking, but I'm gonna say it's my cooking. But in saying that, guys, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this delicious meal, and I'm going to close up this video here. So I know this video wasn't my usual kind of video, but at the end of the day, I can't control the weather, and I'm actually still pretty stoked with what I've accomplished here in Ailey. So I'll make sure to do a little stopover back in Ailey on my way back through and show you guys all of the beautiful spots. But for now, I'm heading up to Townsville, and then from there, pretty much up to like Port Douglas, there's just going to be waterfalls galore. So I'm so excited for all of that. But either way, I will see you guys all then.